Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide comments or replies on your threads. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you're not already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon to get the latest updates. Now what you need to do is first of all open up the Threads Instagram Threads mobile application. Once you open it up, you can see the main page of Threads should appear. Now at the very bottom right, you should be able to find your profile. Simply tap on your profile and the profile page should appear. Now you can see your threads is here. Now if you want to hide the comments or replies on this thread, what you need to do is simply tap on that three dots on the right side of your thread. Simply tap on it and this interface should appear of a new menu. From here you can see who can reply and quote. Simply tap on who can reply and quote, and from here you can go for profiles you follow or mentioned only. You can go for mentioned only, and now the comments will be hidden. Now if I go in the comment, you can see that only those people who I mention will be able to comment on my thread. I haven't mentioned no one yet, so if you want someone to comment, just mention that person in your specific thread. Otherwise, if you don't mention no one, then your comments will be hidden or no one will be able to comment on your thread. And that is it for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.